Watch this.
Tigers are highly effective when it comes to catching animals like antelope, and this is because they are specialized ambush predators, utilizing intense stealth, immense strength, and strategic hunting technique rather than relying on speed over long distance. Tigers does not chase animals over long distance, but rather they use their camouflage to blend into forest and tall grass, stalking within close range, often less than 25 meters, to the prey before launching a sudden explosive attack on the prey. Tigers has very strong jaw with up to 1050 psi bite force, and also tiger aim for the throat or neck to suffocate their prey easily. Tigers are patient animals that understands their prey and utilizing their surroundings to catch them off guard. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel for more.